wala na tayong numbers ugat dito. From here, naputol na, totally cut off.
Opo.
The good thing is, okay. The good thing, ito medyo mahina sa yung natin dito. Pwede pakipag natin yung bata, yung banyo. Baka yung ilaw, mas paliwanag kay Daddy.
Ayan.
Gusto ba dito ilaw o gusto mong... It's your pair. Ito, okay. Ito yung ugat natin, yung ugat na yan. Mula dito, ang ugat na supposed to be from here, isang malaking ugat dito, didiretso yan dyan, pababa dito. Okay?
Pero wala na.
Isa dito, didiretso dyan, para punta rito, para porting puso. Kung napasin mo, yung ugat na ito, wala kang ugat na makita rito, putol. That means, kung sabihin natin, iba-bypass ka, baka sabihin natin, wala pang kakabitan. Kasi wala tayong makita eh. The good thing is, when we inject sa right side natin, nakita mo mayroon ugat dito. Yung ugat naman inject, binubuhay pa yung ugat na to. Kaya ikaw, parang in a way, wala kang nakaramdaman. Diba? You feel as if you're good, right?
Yes.
Because these small blood vessels are taking its effect on you, are helping you.
Oh, that's great.
That's great. So kaya sabi ko, the problem is, hindi naman ganong, he needs surgery, but that urgent right now, or as early as possible. Unlike sabi ko nga, the patient had yesterday, barado dito, bago pa mag-branch out siya dito, barado na, may barapat dalawa rito, meron pa rin dito.
Kaya na, bypass na.
Sabi ko, bypass agad. Itong kay Tabi, meron mukha na may time tayo, we could buy time, but not that long time. Pero provided, ngayon, kaya nga sa I'm asking this, ano ang natin, should you opt to have Daddy reschedule his surgery next time, I have to put him on more medicines. And at such time, he would have the surgery. Ngayon, kung gusto mo pa rin agad, yung gamot, ayos na natin for the schedule.
Okay. So, Daddy, anong decision mo? Ano po, sabi niyo po, kailangan may stop ng plaques.
Hindi. The plug is to be stopped, he would undergo surgery right away. But if not, we have to resume the plugs and add more medicines.
More medicines.
Until before the surgery itself.
Ano pong pinakasunis na dapat na tamang surgery niya po? Ilan days from now?
Siguro, pumasok agad nito kung kondisyon ko yung sarili ko.
Kaya nga, sabi ko,
kung may paraw naman.
Okay, bago usapan niya, yung kondisyon sarili mo. So, ito po yung left natin. We had several shots. Baka may miss ako eh. Pag-shot ko dito, baka sa kabila may makita. So, paikot-ikot po yan. Ito yung right side po natin, C po yan. Kung napasin niyo po, yung C natin. Kung napasin niyo po dati, parang beaded to eh. Parang malunggali sa putol-putol. Normally po, ugat natin ganyang kinis. Itong ugat natin supposed to be ganyan. This one. Ito po yung character from here, pinakit namin sa puso niya. Although lang siya anam naman eh. So, yung pa natin dito. Ito po yung galing, ito po yung straight na yan, bracket po yan, hanggang dito. Ito po yung galing dito. Pinakit namin hanggang puso natin. Ito po yung ugat, kung napasin niyo po yung ugat natin dito, malaki, maliit, malaki, maliit, malaki. Ito po, yun po yung mga nagdisimula rin para na magiging problema in the future. So, kailangan malinis. Kaya habang maaga, I would have want to undergo surgery. Pero sabi ko nga, if you asking me, do you have to do it right now, as in now, as in tomorrow, or something, you can buy a little more time. Considering sa ang plan nyo nga, sabi nga natin, ang tawag dito, you have to take it over muna, or something. Just tell me the time po when you would want it to schedule. If they say, okay, sa'yo 10, kailangan ng 10. I'll call the doctor not schedule at 10, so I'll give him medicine enough until that time para ma-temporize natin while waiting.
Okay. Meron na po tayong surgery, no?
Meron po akong surgery, pero I couldn't refer unless, kasi refer ko ngayon, hindi naman pala gusto.
Ano, Daddy?
So ito po yung...
Uwi daw po yung tatlo natin anak eh.
Kaya nga, so if ever, they can... So ang pa natin dito, if you're planning, you live in,
Angeles po.
Kasi if you're planning to have him on the 10th, you should be here. You have no place to stay in Manila, ba, tatay?
Wala po. Mag-hotel po kami kung kailangan.
If ever po siguro, I would like you, kung 10 boys kayo natin, you have to be back on the 9th.
9 dito sa...
9 ng...
Check-in niya.
Check-in niya. So 9 po, diretso sa ospital.
Opo. Ano pong preparation dapat namin?
Nothing.
Basta dire-diretso lang po lahat yung mga...
Lahat ng diretso, except yung pong ating plastics natin, na ibibigay ko po, itutuloy natin, we stop it 5 days before the surgery. So, you stop it on, content po tayo, mga, a week or so, mga 6. Ay, hindi, 4. 4 pala.
So, you just give him enough medicine na lang po?
Hindi, ang gamot po niya until during the surgery.
Okay.
But the plugs will be stopped on December 4 lang po tayo.